Hi guys, this is Pralika. Today I am going to walk through the residential projects in and around Bachpalli area. I would like to share my knowledge with you guys on this area. Length of Bachpalli area is 7 kilometers and width is 2.5 kilometers. As per the present market, Bachpalli is one of the fast growing area. Over the last few years, Bachpalli has witnessed tremendous growth due to its proximity to prominent IT parks and developed infrastructure. For better and easy understanding, have divided these into 6 zones. First, I would like to discuss about Zone 1. It's from Bachpalli Miyapur Road near Arabindo Pharma to Bachpalli PS signal. I can say this area I'm considering this is the main road of Miyapur and Bachpalli Road. From here I'm taking left hand side of the area till this Renuka Ellamma colony ending. This is the main road of Miyapur Bachpalli. Left hand side of the main road till Renuka Ellamma colony. We can see n number of gated community projects from 2 acres to 8 plus acres. 5 years ago, at this location, we can see only standalone and semi gated apartments culture. But now, gated community culture came into this location. So, people who are looking for gated community apartment and don't want to go some other area as per their attachment with this area, they have multiple options now. Physical infrastructure and social infrastructure for this zone 1 is good than compared to other zones, and this is zone 2. I am taking right hand side of the location. This is similar to zone 1. Here also we can see multiple gated community projects on main road and few semi gated and standalone projects inside of the main road. And next one is zone 3. This is I am taking next to Renuka Ellamma colony to till this point. Then compared to zone 1 and zone 2, it's having little congested roads. Here we can see multiple semi-gated, standalone and small gated. What I mean small gated means 1 acre to 1.5 acre land gated community apartments. In this location we have a small portion of green belt. One of the known project have this greenery view and it's kind of a hill greenery view. Nice and peaceful location then compared to zone 1 and zone 2. Here we can avoid the pollution as well. And now I'm going to zone 4. Here also we can see multiple gated community projects on main road itself. This is the main road. This is continuation of Bachpalli Miyapur road. Here we can see so many gated community projects, and inside of this main road we can see again small gated community and semi gated standalone apartments. Couple of years ago, it's a kind of industrial area. Now it's growing residentially. This road have link road of Pragati Nagar, Nijampet and Mallampet. Here we can get multiple villa project option also. And coming to social and physical infrastructure, not yet developed fully in zone 4 than compared to zone 1 and zone 2. And the next one is zone 5. This is the zone 5 location. Till this Pragati Nagar Arch, I am taking this zone 5 location. Here we can see n number of villa projects. Praneeth Villas, everything we can see in this zone. And here we can see multiple high-rise apartments also. And this area is started growing now with multiple projects. Coming to zone 6. Right now there is no projects in zone 6 location. Maybe in future few builders are going to start few projects in this zone 6 location. And now we'll see about the complete Bachpalli picture. This is the picture we can see. This is the way Bachpalli is going to come in Hyderabad map. Bachpalli is located in the Kutubullapur district, approximately 14 kilometers away from high-tech city. It is a rapidly expanding suburb close to prime areas like Hafizpet, Kondapur, and is connected to Hyderabad city via the Nijampet Road, Pragati Nagar Road, and Miyapur Road. It is also well connected to other parts of Hyderabad due to the proximity of the outer ring road and NH9. Coming to physical infrastructure, nearest metro station is Miyapur metro station, and the Nijampet metro, that is the pipeline, is close to Bachpalli and is set to further ease commuting for the area's residential employment. And coming to airport, from here it's 45 kilometers. Bachupalli's growth began due to the intense commercial activities brought about by increasing presence of IT, manufacturing, and pharma companies. Coming to social infrastructure, Bachupalli has prominent educational institutes like Oak Ridge International, Ambitus, Old School, and Geetanjali School, among others. Those schools we can find here in Zone 6. There are many medical and health facilities, including Citizens Hospital, People Hospital, and Apollo Hospital. And we have a very good inventory in Bachpalli. If someone want to know more about Bachpalli, please contact us. We provide multiple options based on your requirements. And yes, yes. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.